How to create talking avatar video from AI. Today, I bring you a very interesting story that involves a very greedy man character, a benevolent blue djinn. Today's story is about a poor family who had only one daughter. She had no brothers or sisters. It is mentioned once that two fairies were named Aman and Neelam. Once she went for a walk in the sky, she was how bright that stone is. Do you know the benefits of helping others? Indeed, you must know how much peace one finds in helping others. There are 3 steps. Step number 1. Create your story from Chat GPT. Or create your own story. Go to Chat GPT. Search the Chat GPT. Then sign up your account with Google. Type here your story as you want. After a few seconds, your story has been generated. Step number 2. Go to Google search in Leonardo.ai. Click the first link, Leonardo AI. Then click Create an account. Click here AI image generation. You can get 150 credit daily in Leonardo.ai. Choose of numbers of images you want generate. Click here alchemy for more realistic and HD images. But remember, it's get more credit, like 16 credit per image. Choose your image dimensions as you want. For YouTube, choose 16 by 9. Choose your fine-tuned model, like Dream Shaper or 3D animation style as you want. Type your prompt like this or type your own. Click Generate button. After a few seconds, you can see your desired images generated. Download image which you like. Step number 3. Go to Google and search DIDI. Click this website DID link. Then you can see dashboard. First click here to log in or sign up your account. Sign up with your Google account. You get 20 free credit first time. But after, you choose your paid plan as you want. Click Create Video button here. Choose your language. Choose male or female voice as you want. Choose your avatar or upload your own avatar. Copy your Chat GPT script and paste in did prompt text box. Listen sample 10 seconds. If you satisfied, then click Create Video button. Then you can see these pop-up dialog. Now you can see how much credit required for this video. If you have, then click Create Video. After 1 or 2 minutes, video has been generated. If you like the video, you must like, share and subscribe so that you can see more interesting moral stories. Thank you.